guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos. I'm going to be talking about my dorm room in college. So I asked you guys a while ago if you wanted me to do this video, and I'm basically just like talking about the idea and the concept for like our decorations of my dorm room. I'm doing a dorm room decor, I'm doing like a move-in vlog, dorm room tour, I'm doing all this stuff. I'm doing a haul, it's gonna happen, but I just want to talk to you guys about what my ideas were for my dorm room and like what my roommate and I, her name's Cassidy, she's super awesome. I cannot wait for you guys to meet her. I actually can't wait to meet her. I've never met her. She lives in Michigan, I live in Arizona, so like we haven't met yet, but like I'm really excited for you guys to meet her because she's so cool and awesome. And we've been like planning out our dorm okay, let's try this again. We've been planning out our dorm room, and I thought that I would just give you guys an idea of what we have going and what we want to do for our dorm room. Here's a floor plan of our dorm room. I found this online. It's like suite style, so when you walk in, there's like a bathroom, like closet, mud room area, and then you walk in and there's like the beds, and it comes with, what I believe it comes with is like a bed, a dresser, a desk, and a chair. Cassidy and I are planning on doing, this was Cassie's idea. She wants our bed to kind of like form like an L shape. We're not sure which wall. We have not been in our dorm room yet. Actually, she has. She stayed there one night, but like I've never seen it. So she wants to form like an L and then kind of have like a nightstandish thing with like our fridge and microwave and stuff on it. That like kind of stresses me out because, okay, this sounds really like weird, but I'm only bringing my ring light because I obviously can't like fit all my giant studio lights in our dorm room. The ring light only lights up me. It doesn't light up the background like my studio lights are lighting up the background. So ideally, I'd like to have my bed facing a window so the window can light up my background and then the ring light can light up my face. But if our beds are like that, I'm afraid it's going to be on the window so that my bed won't be facing the window, which is really stressing me out. Hopefully it will work out for the best, but that's what we want to do with our beds. Ideally, I'd like to put my dresser in my closet, save some room, all that stuff. Oh, I forgot to tell you our color scheme. Our color scheme is like blush pink, white, and gold. Super cute, adorable, I know. Cassidy also wants us to get like another desk for like our makeup and stuff. I don't know where that's gonna fit. We need to like see the room. Like we have all these ideas, but we're not gonna buy like furniture from like IKEA yet until we go in there and like see everything. I want to get, my bed is lofted, so it's a little bit, it's not like to the point where like I can put a desk under there, but there's a lot of room under it. So I want to get like a dresser from IKEA and put it under there because my idea is like if I get a dresser, I could also use that in an apartment next year. So I'll have a ton of storage under my bed, and then I can also use that dresser next year for an apartment. That's what I want to do. And so I'll be storing things like not just like clothes, but also like my food stuff and then like my camera stuff and like all that stuff in those like dresser drawers. I have my bedding. It's from Urban Outfitters. They both have the same color bedding. I think it's rose is the color we got from Urban Outfitters, but we have different bedding, so it's like the same color but different styles, and we each have like little throw pillows and things like that. So she wants to make like a shelf that we can like put stuff on. I don't know how we're gonna put a shelf in there. I really, because we can't put holes in the wall, but it's gonna work. We're gonna make it work. We're planning like DIYing a lot of stuff because we're both cheap. I'm paying for my college, my dorm, all my dorm room decorations by myself. Like I'm not getting help with my parents, so I definitely want to like be budget friendly. She's bringing her TV, so we're gonna hang that in the room. She wants to get like this thing. I think that's really cool. We have a wall in our room that's like ugly colored. Like ASU rooms, they have like a yellow, a green, and a purple wall. Like there's different colors, and we either have like green or purple in our room. So to cover that ugly wall, we're either gonna do a tapestry, or I was thinking of like those like sticker wallpaper things. Like they're removable, so like they don't damage the wall. I thought that'd be really cute because like it's just not purple, like a purple or green wall, not gonna go with our color scheme. So we want to do something that like cover it up, make it cute, make it a cozy room. Hopefully we're gonna get a rug. I really hope so. I want to hang like Polaroids on one area. I know there's like a certain wall that I feel like I can hang Polaroids on. I was looking at room tours. So I obviously can't speak for her because I don't know what she wants to do, like her side. I mean, I kind of do, but like I don't want to. I'm gonna talk about what I want to do. So I want to get these picture frames. I have these picture frames from IKEA, and what I want to do is spray paint them gold and then put these like flowers. I'll put a picture of what I want to do. I saw this on Pottery Barn, and I was like, that's so cute, but I'm not spending like $30 on some like fake flowers. So I thought that'd be a really cool like collage wall that'd be really pretty for that background. I really want to get a headboard. I don't know, like it's expensive. I might do this thing. I saw this on Pinterest. I'll put a picture here. It's like these like hanging flowers, and I can do them with like our colors, and I thought that'd be really cute. I got some cute throw pillows. I'll show you guys like my mood board right here. This is like my mood board that I made. I thought it was super cute. The bedding in the middle is the bedding that I got. Pillows that I have on here, they were from Target, but they were huge. If you saw my dorm room shopping fail video, they were so big. There was no way they were gonna fit, so I didn't do that. I don't think I'm gonna get the picture like mirror thing. I really like that, but I don't know. Curtains, hopefully we can do curtains because the window I've heard is like floor to ceiling and there's no blinds, and it also doesn't open. We're on the 7th floor. Hopefully we'll be able to like find a way to do curtains. We also have a spreadsheet of all the things that we're bringing, who's bringing what. Yeah, we're so organized. I know, love us. I don't think there's anything else. So that's like our idea for our dorm room, like lots of pink and golds and whites and just just very cozy and girly. I don't know if this video was helpful. I don't know if that like explained to you, but that was kind of the idea. I don't know if I've already uploaded my like dorm decor haul video, but if I haven't, it's coming. I'm gonna film it like right now. If it's already up, check it out. If not, then don't check it out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's kind of like all over the place. I just kind of like wanted to sit down, talk, like just give you like my ideas. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!